Hello, and hi to everyone. Today is in the Bitcoin Express. We have the news from the blockchain news. It says the FTX downfall leaves crypto market in FUD sentiment. And what is FUD? FUD means fear, uncertainty, and doubt. It says the collapse of cryptocurrency exchange FTX on November 8 has created another big downturn in the already gloomy crypto industry. Bitcoin has collapsed 11%, while Ethereum has witnessed a collapse of 15%, according to the data from CoinGecko. While FTX native token FTT has fallen 71%, CoinGecko showed, and the firm's net crypto asset holding have plunged 80% in the just 2 days. That is what happens when a crash comes and uncertainty and doubt overtakes the market. Coin market cap and Yahoo Finance charts have shown that the total market capitalization for all crypto assets has fallen by more than 10% from 1 trillion to 900 billion. The catalyst to the crypto market downturn was the sudden move made by Binance to acquire FTX following months of tensions between the two crypto exchanges. The first investor that funded FTX was also Binance. So Binance cannot say anything. The largest global crypto exchange. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao tweeted on Tuesday, "This afternoon, FTX asked for our help, and because there is a significant liquidity crunch. To protect users, we signed a non-binding letter of intent intending to fully acquire http ftx.com and help cover the liquidity crunch. We will be conducting a full due diligence in the coming days," he added. FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried until recently had been buying up crypto firms struggling due to credit crunch caused by the sudden collapse of the cryptocurrencies Luna and USD or Terra USD. However, that has left a liquidity crunch at FTX, which indicates a potential for selling cryptos to attract finances. Analysts have stated that if the merger between the two crypto exchanges goes through, crypto firms could face even tougher business competitions at a time when trading volume have shrunk drastically. Data from the crypto indexing platforms Nomics have shown that the total crypto trading volumes worldwide in 2022 have fallen by 21% to $86 trillion across exchanges. Binance accounted for 20% of the global crypto trading volume, while FTX held only a 3% share during that period. Other rival crypto exchanges have also faced the brunt of the tussle between Binance and FTX. Coinbase's global sites share closed 11% lower Tuesday from $54 to $50, while Robinhood, where Bankman-Fried holds a 7% stake, plunged 19% on Tuesday, the steepest decline since August 2021. The merger would also eliminate Binance's main competitor and may potentially give Binance a US presence it does not currently have. However, the merger may potentially take time to get finalized, as Bankman-Fried has been testifying in Congress, while Binance has reportedly faced problems in the US by the US Securities and Exchange Commission as well as in the UK by the country's Financial Conduct Authority. So you can see, prior to Binance move to acquire FTX, CZ sold about $530 million in FTT on November 6 in response to recent revelations that came to light. He did not provide clarification for the sell-off, but you can see Binance is facing problem in UK and US, both countries, but the FTX, which it funded and was the first exchange to list the token, has been speaking with the Congress in the US and also in the New York, where no exchange has been able to, very difficult to get a bit license. And FTX is also not based in the US. It is based in the Bahamas, and the Sam Bankman-Friedman is also living in the Bahamas, but it is controlling the US. So you can see how much something very fishy, and it is not comprehensible. How can a man sitting in the Bahamas, a different country, can control the regulations in the United States? Therefore, this was something of the doubtful situation. Therefore, maybe Binance has sold its FTX holdings. And other it says, following this event, the FTX witnessed a 90% plunge in the net crypto asset holding. Yes, it was trading at $24. Now it is trading at $4, almost 10x, adding to a dip in the company's stablecoin reserve by a total of 95% in the past 2 weeks, which means going to zero, and related withdrawals to near zero. And it has also stopped withdrawals of their coins of the people. So which was the last exchange or fund institution which stopped withdrawal? It was Celsius. So Celsius has also gone underground. It has not come above the ground since that time, and it will never come, which means the investor who has put their money in the Celsius and FTX will also probably not going to get their money back. So therefore it is always very important to hold your coins in your wallet. For example, a hardware wallet like ledgers and treasure is also good. Trust wallet, which means you should hold your coins in of which you hold the keywords like 12 words or 24. Slowly people remember 12 words. We remember football matches, who scored goal. Cristiano Ronaldo scored in 1990. Why cannot we remember 12 word and 24? And that is called brain wallet. If you remember in a few days, you can remember the 12 or 24 words in your brain, and you can go anywhere from one country to another country, purchase a laptop or desktop and put your download your wallet, put your 12 or 24 words, and you get your money back. Compare it with the gold. How can you take away 2 ounces of the gold? You cannot take this is why the digital assets are very important and has gained accepted by the whole world. Next, it says, according to a recent report by Reuters, FTX saw around 6 billion of withdrawals in just 72 hours. $6 billion are withdrawn in 72 hours before they stop withdrawing. Before Tuesday, this morning, as a result, FTX has lost an estimated $15 billion, nearly 90 or almost 100% of its total wealth. Therefore, it is asking for help from the Binance. And it is also was fighting with the Binance while it was also launched on Binance. This was said by according to the Bloomberg's Billionaire Index. On an average day, we have tens of millions of dollars of net inflows and outflows. Things were mostly average until this weekend. A few days ago, Bankman-Fried wrote in a message to staff sent on Tuesday morning. Okay, this is their internal meeting, internal talk. We cannot say about anything about it. Investors have also suffered due to the downfall of the FTX. Venture capital firm Sequoia has provided $420 million in a funding round that took the crypto exchange's valuation to $25 billion in October 2021, which means October of the last year. But was another thing in October 2021, it was the peak of the crypto market. And how much was the time from the Bitcoin halving to Bitcoin peak? Halving was in May 2020. So it was almost 1.5 years. So you can estimate that after halving, after 1.5 years, or 12 plus 6 is equal to 18 months from halving, we usually see a top of the market. And after that, this is the next October, in 1 year, 2.5 years after halving, we are seeing the nearly almost bottom of the market. So these things we have to understand the market cycles and not to look at the price every day, because nobody is caring about you. Nobody is searching what is the price will be of this coin after 2 and 5 years. You only have to understand it, read the market, read the news every day, and so you grasp the things which are mostly in everyday life, everyday news, like which company is making most of the partnership every day. It is almost Binance, and we know BTC and Ethereum, no need to talk about it. Next is Binance. Polygon is also making good moves, so investing in that is also good. VeChain is very good partnership, doing partnership worldwide, that is also good. Shiba Inu is also good, it is also making partnership, whether it is a joke coin, meme coin, whatever people say, but that does not matter, because people are it is becoming people's favorite coin. People are want to invest in Shiba. Institution hotels, restaurant are also are accepting Shiba Inu. So these 4 or 5 coins are good at this time. So we should not look beyond 50 or 100 ranking, which we do not know. When we do not know about a coin, why are we investing? So best is investing in top 20, 50, 30 coins, and the one that we are hearing in every day. So what it is saying, investors have also suffered due to yeah, this is FTX valuation further increased to 32 billion in January 22. This year in January it was 32 billion, because it was also funded by the another venture capital firm which is called Paradigm. So Paradigm injected or invested another 400 million in FTX value. So you can say what a one year can do in the crypto market, from the top of the market in October 21 to the down of the crypto market in October 22. So we have to understand the crypto market. So let us see what is the FTT price is at this time. It is just $5. Yesterday it was $24. 25 5 to 25 6x. So so always invest carefully. Invest in coins that you know, and that every day you hear about. So that's all. Always install antivirus on your PC. What does antivirus do? An antivirus scans and then blocks any adware, malware, spyware running on your computer. And if possible, you can also install VPNs, and a VPN encrypts your data. So even if you are using your laptop or PC at a busy place like bus stop, railway station, market, your data is encrypted and you are safe. Thank you. That's all for it today. Bye.